Installation of Rotary Club of Nasik Riverside took place on July 2019. Incoming President Rotarian Rajesh Pusatkar. Charter President Rotarian P. Guradi. Secretary Rotarian Ratnakar Navgare. Joint Secretary Rotarian Deepak Kulkarni. Treasurer Rotarian Sriniket Bakshi. Director Projects Non-Medical Rotarian Deepak Kulkarni. Director Projects Medical Rotarian Neeta Lele. Director TRF Rotarian Kishore Bagul. Director Club Admin Rotarian Swati Rajwade. Director Public Relation Rotarian Josna Puranik. Sergeant at Arms Rotarian Rajesh Baid. Also we had Advisory Committee of Rotarian Dilip Dikshit, Rotarian Mukund Panse and Rotarian V. Srinivasan. Mr. Khedekar, an IITian who works as a consultant, educator and mentor to engineers and entrepreneurs, intellectual property, was the main guest. He explained his highly technical subject in very nice manner. Senior Rotarian PDG Dadasaheb Deshmukh was also present. Rotarian Ramesh Meher, AG Rotarian Bhagat, Enclave Chairman Rotarian Mr. Gurmeet Singh, Enclave Secretary Rotarian Shewale, and representatives from other clubs also graced the occasion.
Twenty-seven members of Rotary Club of Nasik Riverside enjoyed first meeting on 16 July at 5 Elements Hotel. Treasurer Sriniket Bakshi presented outlay of budget for current year. Rotarian Mrs. Sharayutai Deshmukh informed about major projects. Rotarian Mr. Dikshit suggested a big solar project for Bhosla Military School. Household solar products for the members to be started during this year. Rotarian Mr. Panse informed about the prospective matching grant project in the Nasik with a USA club. On 23rd July, President apprised detail of inclusive meeting held on Sunday 21st July. He explained about the project of tree plantation at the Karanjban Dam. Plantation of around 5,000 trees is proposed. 80 students of HPT and RYK college will take part in the activity. Rotarian Mrs. Sharayutai has taken responsibility of the providing bus for the students. On 30th July, 30 members were present. President introduced guest Mr. Warkhede, President of Rotarian Midtown, Mr. Sanjay Auti, HOD, Botany Department, RYK Science College, Mr. Mahajan, Deputy Engineer, Karanjban Dam. President briefed about the tree plantation project accordingly. A seminar on the scientific way of tree plantation is to be arranged. Professor Sri Auti will be providing around 80 to 100 college students to assist Rotary members for the plantation.
Month of August. 2 weekends were spent for plantation of trees at Karanjban Dam. 14th August. Mr. Chadda, project coordinator of Dialysis Center, explained the dialysis center run by a charitable trust. Our club decided that we will help the organization in educating people to create awareness about kidney problems. We will also help this organization immediately. Our club will visit this dialysis facility and extend a monetary help with the help of individual contributions. On 17th August, Rotarian Mrs. Josna Purani gave brief introduction of the chief guest, Professor Sri Dilip Phadke. Professor Phadke in his speech explained the consumer grievances movement and nitty-gritty of RERA regulations. On 20th, had inspirational personality in sports, great Kabaddi coach Mrs. Shailaja Jain, under whose valued coaching the Iran's national women's Kabaddi team won the gold medal against the defending champion India in 18th Asian Game held in Jakarta, Indonesia in 2018. She shared her inspirational and interesting journey with us. September. Formation of first Rotary Club. Rotary Club formed in HPT RYK Science College on Wednesday 4th September. Name of the club, Rotary Club of Nasik Eco Warriors. 32 students were enrolled. Mr. Chaurikar, HOD Electronics Department, will be the coordinator. Mr. Suryamshi, Principal HPT RYK College, and AG Mrs. Manisha Jagtap were on the dais. PDG Dada Sahib Deshmukh was the chief guest. On 24th September, the guests were 4 super senior persons from various fields: Sri Padhe, Sri Suryamshi, Sri Kabra, Sri Kulkarni Dada. They were invited for interaction session on Jeevan Jagne Kala. Rotarian and Mrs. Ratna Kulkarni introduced all the guest speakers and held an interactive session with all the 4 guests. These 80 plus senior citizens really enlightened us on art of living of the life.
On 1st October, as a Navratri Utsav is being celebrated everywhere, the Bhondla play was performed by the ladies members of Rotarian ants. Other members cheered them. On 15th October, President welcomed this week special guest Shri Raj Khankari, President-elect of Rotary Club of Maple, USA. Both the President exchanged flag of the clubs. He showed interest in the partnering new projects with our club. He appreciated the work of Nasik Dialysis Center and assured to assist whatever possible help from his club. Chetan Rajapurkar, collector of ancient coins, researcher of history, has been invited as the chief speaker. He is treasurer of Nasik Itihas Sanshodhan Mandal and also president of Nasik Saraf Association. He has so far held exhibitions of the ancient coins collection in more than 50 cities. He spoke on माझ्या नाण्यातील नाशिक. On 4th December, family night come Kelvan for Puja Bhave. Venue Kensington Club. Kelvan family night host Lele Patwardhan Panse, Bhukrikar, Garge and Manjiri Falke.
November 2019. On 12th November, we had speaker none other than Rotarian Mrs. Manisha Raghuveer Adhikari. Our club's veteran member Mrs. Manisha has expertise in Hindi literature. She had a subject कबीर के जीवन से संबंधित घटनाएं. कबीर के दोहे and its analysis is her hobby. She has so far delivered 107 speeches at various places including Radio Vishwas. On 27th November, we had Mr. Aviraj Taide, HOD Music Department, SMRK College, and Mr. Nitin Ware, noted tabla player at Nasik. We discussed about exploring possibilities of combined fundraising through music programs.
We have nominated officials for the next year president. Rotarian Mr. Deepak Kulkarni nominated as President-elect 2020-2021. Rotarian Mr. Sanjay Kulkarni as Secretary-elect. Rotarian Mr. Ravindra Vibhandik as Treasurer. Rotarian Mr. Kashinath Patil as Vice President and President-elect for the year 2021-2022. On 17 December, new members induction at the hands PDG Dadasaheb Deshmukh. Mr. Alok Khankar and spouse members Mr. Ashok Rajwade, Mrs. Jayashree Patil, Mrs. Ratna Kulkarni. Rotarian Mr. Naugare handed over the check from Mahendra EPC Irrigation Company towards plantation of trees. On 8 February, Saturday, Green Heritage Resort, situated at the backwater of Waki Dam. Family joined Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Bagal, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Lele, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Puranik, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Gandhi, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Panse, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Oak, Rotarian Mr. and Mrs. Bhokrikar, Rotarian Mr. Srinivasan and Rotarian Mrs. Swati Takle. Visited Waki Dam, Holy Place, Kaunai, Gajanan Maharaj Mandir, situated in the midst of mountain. A flower garden on the way to the Nasik. Thanks Rotarian Ashok Rajwade, Rotarian Swati Rajwade and Nasik Club of Riverside.
February 4th February, guest speaker Aparna Velankar, a well-known author and translator. Her topic was on her book For Here or to Go, American Swapnanchi Kahani. We also had a NCD project camp. This camp was held for our Rotary members as well as their spouses and staff of 5 Element Hotel. Apollo Laboratories helped for random sugar testing. In March, we had Mrs. and Mr. Babar as a well-known personality in astrology. They spoke on wonders of universe. This session was an introduction of the universe, stars and galaxy. Guest speaker Mr. Puranik, proud Rotarian of club and the well-known financial advisor and columnist of Nasik. He spoke on topic evolved after union budget, LIC listing, yes or no. Mr. and Mrs. Deepak Kulkarni also educated about solar power. We had a guest speaker Mrs. Bhagyasri Kenge, a well-known personality in internet technology. She is founder and editor of first Marathi website marathiworld.com and columnist about digital world internet for you.